Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries. So I got some fresh strawberries and I'm going to wash them very well and then I'm going to dry them very well. So the trick is to make sure they are 200% dry completely before you dip them on the chocolate. So I got some dark chocolate and I'm using this kind of dark chocolate bars and I'm going to make small pieces and I'm going to melt it. So I got my water and I'm heating up a little bit, not too much boiling or anything, just heat up a little bit. And to that I'm going to put a double boiler and melt my chocolate. So I got my bowl floating on the warm water and I'm just gonna melt the chocolate. So here's my chocolate all melted up with the double boiler theory I showed you. And here are my strawberries all washed, clean and dried. And here's my parchment paper on a plate and I'm just going to tilt the bowl and coat the strawberries and lay it down on the parchment paper and then I'll show you. So here's my beautiful chocolate covered strawberries and it didn't take long to make it very quick and just have to remember that melt the chocolate in a double boiler, just warm up the water a little bit, not boiling, and then put a heat safe container and melt your chocolate in it outside the oven, not on the oven, and then it melts right away quickly. And then you cover your chocolate holding the top and put it in the parchment paper and keep it outside for 10-15 minutes until it cools. Then put it in the fridge for another 20 minutes to 30 minutes to get it hardened. So that's a perfect chocolate covered strawberries. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.